Welcome again. Today's lesson is about the sounds of the similar letters. So we started from the first one. This is A. We pronounce it A, like A in English. And the second one, this one is A. We pronounce it like double A in English. We can use it sometimes. Yeah, if you want to write the Pashto in Roman alphabet, you have to, or Latin alphabet, you should write double A, like A. The next one are 4 letters that all of them pronounce as Z in English. Like these are the alphabet names are Zal, Z, Zod, and Zwe. These are all in Pashto. You can see the second one is in Pashto as a original Pashto letter, but these 3 are no. These are used by the words that borrowed from Arabic, and we still use it, but all of them are Z or Z in English. These 3 are S, like S in English, and we pronounce the alphabet like Sin, Swat, and Se, or in Arabic we can pronounce it Fe, but these 3 are all Se, like S in English. And these 2 are T, like T in English, like the first one is the letter T, and the second one is Twe. We pronounce it in Pashto alphabet, but both of them are like T in English. Yeah, and these 2 or 3, so we can write both of them. But the first and second one, these are both He, and this first one derived from the second one, or they are just the same thing. If you write at the end, you use the first one. If you write it in the middle, you use the second one. So another one is He in Arabic, but we pronounce all of them like H in English, or they are He. And then we have Kaf and Qaf, and you can use both of them as a K in English, or Qaf is like a Q in English, that Q is also pronounced like a K in English, and we pronounce it like Qaf or K. Kaf, Qaf, Kaf, Qaf, but you can use the K for both of them, it's okay, or K or Qaf, both of them, it doesn't matter. And we have 2 types of J. Yeah, we had it in the previous lesson in the alphabet, yeah, and they're not the same. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you about it. So these were the today's lesson, and tomorrow we will come back with a new lesson. Have a good time. Ciao.